I love the shade of these nightstands. These were sent over for my feedback, and I gotta say, they blend in really nicely with my light-colored bed. The wood tone has this warm, natural look, and it just makes the room feel a little more cozy. And I love that they have this simple design. This open shelf underneath is nice to store a little basket. They do come disassembled, but everything you need is included in the box. All the hardware is there, along with clear instructions to put them together. Both of the nightstands arrived in one box for me, and once assembled, they felt nice and sturdy. Another thing I like is that they have this simple design that works with a lot of different bedroom styles. The tabletop gives you enough space for things like a lamp, a picture frame, or a book, and the drawer is handy for keeping smaller items tucked away. Overall, I'm really happy how these turned out. They look more expensive than I expected, and the color is exactly what I was hoping for, and they fit my bedroom really well. So if you're looking for affordable nightstands with a clean, modern look and a warm wood finish, I think these are definitely worth checking out.